Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Ghaneva channel and I welcome you all. I welcome you to this channel. My name is Ghaneva and this is Ghaneva channel. It's all about personal development, lifestyle and business as well. Today's episode we are going to be doing a product review. So I ordered this selfie stick from China, and today I'm going to do a product review with you. I'm going to share what I think about this product so that if you are looking out to buy one, you will know what you are buying for. I've already unboxed it here, so let's open it and know what is inside. Okay, so I purposely ordered this for my vlogs. Yes, it comes with a charger and a manual. So this is cute little manual that comes with everything, as you can see here. And this is the charger that it comes.
The charger comes first, the selfie stick. It uses small pin instead of Type-C.
Yeah, I don't think this is a Type-C charger that comes with everything. And this is the selfie stick. This is the selfie stick. Yes, and it comes with a light here, which you switch it on with this button. You switch it on with this button here, and this is the light that comes with it, and you can off it right here. So it's like off, on, deeper, off, on, deeper, off. Yeah, and this is so nice. And it also comes with, I think, a stand because it has been divided here. So so this is how it looks like. It's really nice, and I ordered white color because I love it. And the stand too, you can make it longer like this, which I absolutely love this. Now let's make it more shorter. Okay, and you can as well record your videos in short form videos or vertical or long form videos, and this is so nice. You can as well use this tool here like this, and yeah, and this to support your phone, which I think this is so nice. And it also comes with a remote, so you can use it like this, you know, selfie, and you can also use it on a stand like this, which I think it's amazing. Please pardon me for any noise that you will hear in this video. My microphone spoiled, so we are ordering a new one. We will also do unboxing with the new microphone. Yeah, so this is how it is, and there is a note here that you can be rotating your phone, which I think it's amazing. Yeah, this is so nice. I really love this. It comes with a remote right here. Oh, this is the remote here, and I'm trying to take it out. Okay, so this is not easy. I'm trying to take the remote out. I'm getting something wrong here. Okay, so this was blocking it, right? So this is it. Please pardon me for any noise that you hear in this video. My microphone's burnt. Okay, so this is the remote which you can use for videoing. So if I've set my camera, my phone here, I would have just connected it with this, and I think it works that way. I don't know much. I'll read the manual and I will know how it works. Yeah, so this is everything, and I think this is so beautiful, and I love it, and I love it. I love this so much. Yeah, so this is what the selfie stick is, and to be frank with you, this is absolutely beautiful. A friend wanted to buy this, but she was like, it can't stand, so she's not ordering it anymore. I took the risk to order it, and trust me, it stands so perfectly. I really love this selfie stick, and I'm going to root it everywhere I go. Like, you can literally use this everywhere you go, and it is so cute and small that you don't have to worry about the size. Because tell me why you think this is so big that it can't fit to anything. Just ta-da! Tell me, do you think this is worth the amount? Let me know in the comment section. So this is the price that I ordered from China. That's on 1688, and this is the shipping fee that I also used. I also paid for and everything, and I think this is amazing. So far I've ordered 3 more for people. Yes, they really love it. So if you want me to order anything for you, you can join me through my product group in the description box. Click there, just DM any of the admin in that group, except one admin that I have to unadmin. I'll do that. So DM any admin in that group and you get this from me, okay? Yes, and I think this is super amazing, and I really love this. I'm going to charge it before I use it. This is so nice. I really love this. So this is all that the unboxing is about, and it even have a manual here that you can actually follow to use your selfie stick. I really love this. So we will end the video here. Thank you so much for staying with me to this part of the video, because I know the noise in the video is so annoying, because me myself, I can really hear that it's annoying, but I know you still watch this video. Thank you so much if you did, and please do also like this video so that I know that you really watched. If you have any other reviews that you want me to do that I can afford, then please let me know in the comment section, and I'll get it so that I'll do a product review of that. So watch more of my videos, comment on my videos, share it to other people so that I would know you all guys support what I do. I also have a New Year resolution video on the channel, so please do want to watch it and start your year very well. We are in January 2026, and I say Happy New Year to all my family in this community. Thank you so much for always staying with me. So this is where I will end the video. I hope you've gotten a lot of things from. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload this video, any video on the channel, you'll be the first person to get it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.